Hi everybody, Fagun Shah from Integration Lab here. In today's video, we are going to see a custom app for an application called Radar. Their official website is getradar.co. What it does basically is that you can see multiple stats on your mobile app or on your desktop app. For this particular video purpose, I am going to show you the desktop app and how to configure custom call which is not available as a one click install on Radar. Okay, so let me show you the demo first. So here, by the way, you can see that you can fetch like Bitcoin price, Twitter follower count, Tesla stock pricing. 1 USD is equal to 74.52 Indian national rupees, and so on, right? So if I go here and if I open here, you can see I am fetching subscriber count, and this is like refresh. You can set the refresh frequency as well. So if you set the refresh frequency, it will automatically update these counts and via API calls on the background, right? And today we are going to try to build this one again. I built this one 9 hours ago, but I will try to build it again as well. Okay, so it gave NA because I had set up the webhook to capture the data, but now within few seconds it should just give me the correct answer, and I will show you the particular Google Sheet as well from where it is actually fetching the data. So yeah, you can see today's lead is 13, yesterday leads are 12, right? So yeah, let me show you how to set up this from scratch. And by the way, Radar is available as a lifetime deal via their own website, okay, and via AppSumo as well, just for $29. And they also provide the mobile app as well. At least I have used Android app, and yeah, you can see that it has Mac and iOS app as well, right? So yeah, I hope that is useful. They also have something called collection where you can see the one-click installers for different things, right? So yeah, the our goal is basically to build a custom one. Like for example, you want to get the today's lead count from your Google Sheet, right? Let's say you are getting leads from Facebook ad, you are getting more than 100 leads or 500, 600 leads, and you want to basically see those lead counts every day on the go. By just opening it without opening your Google Sheet or something else. You can also want to like maybe fetch your Stripe money collection, right? How much you made on a particular day. So all those things are possible via Radar in a single place, just like I showed you here, right? So yeah, let's get started. I will close few tabs, and one more thing before we move forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that to support me. And yeah, let's go. I will close the AppSumo page as well, collection page. And this custom app will be completely free. You can go to store.integrationlab.in and you can choose for the Radar. Okay, it's simply webhook, but I have added this video and instruction on the webhook part. So let me just show you how it is set up. So once you get this custom app and log into your Pabbly Connect account, create a new workflow, and in the trigger or the first step of the workflow, search for the app called Radar. Choose only trigger, which is like get data request from Radar app as a trigger. That should give you a webhook URL and my video link from here. Okay. Now you need to copy this, and once you copy this, it will start basically loading like this. Okay, then you need to obviously install Radar and activate your copy with their license key as well. Then you need to click on this plus icon here, uh, PC leads, let's name it as a test. Okay, now you need to choose the URL request as a post. Okay, parameters will be, let's say, data, and let's do maybe leads, right? And yeah, that should be it. And once I do that, it should basically next, it will send that data here immediately, right? So let's wait for two to, yeah, you can see data leads is now captured. Even if it might close, it will still be available here. So now it gives you primary value and secondary value as an option. For now you can ignore that part, and let's move to the workflow part. So once you capture this data, you need to setup. So what we want to do here is that I have added some dummy data with two dates only, 26th and 27th. Now, what I want is I want to fetch today and yesterday's uh, leads. It doesn't matter what date it is. Today is 27th April 2025. But let's say we are running this on 27th May 2025. Still, it should work for that day and the previous day. Okay. So now the basic thought that comes into mind is to just look up the rows using the particular date and then do the array count inside Pabbly Connect. But there are some people who generate more than 100 leads per day as well on particular given day, maybe just for a short period of month, right? So for that, I have created a query. Sorry, I have a query here, this formula, which basically passes the date here and gives me the total count, right? So if we go back to our Pabbly Connect workflow, in DDMMYY format, then I am generating yesterday's date by using add subtract time here. And then I am passing that query formula inside Pabbly Connect, right? Here. Sorry, inside the Google Sheet here. And this date is dynamically mapped. Okay. So we are passing the whole formula as a dynamic value inside Google Sheet into query sheet. Okay. Now, that will basically give you the total number, sorry, that will generate the total number of leads for that particular date. So there is a chance that some people have thousands of leads in there, right? So it might take like 5 seconds. So I have added this 5 second uh, delay inside here, right? But this custom app is another one by me and it is already public custom app. So you don't even need to purchase it or get it from my store. You can just directly search JS Action by Integration Lab and it should be available in all the Pabbly Connect accounts by default. Okay. We are basically fetching that data A2 cell from query sheet, right? So we are fetching this data because we need to send that data back to Radar. And then we are doing the same thing for yesterday date 26 24 2025, and yeah, 5 minutes of delay and then get the total. And the last step is the most important part, which is basically like today leads and yesterday leads, and we are sending that particular JSON. Now this key, these two things are very important here. Why? Because if we go to Radar, it asks for you like primary value and secondary value. Okay. So primary value will be the bigger font and secondary value will be small grayed out font kind of a thing, right? So yesterday. Okay. So it should match exactly like the key names you provided inside data forwarder, return custom response to the source. Okay. And yeah, you can set the icon if you want. Let's do leads icon, and which would you prefer? Let's say this. Let me open it. Oh yeah, it is available as a PNG. So let me, sorry, don't want to open the triple O. Paste it here. Okay, and yeah, you basically just click on save here. So you can see it has fetched the icon as well. Not sure if it will be able to like fetch the leads. It might not because we only captured it in Pabbly, right? So, oh, it did, right? So yeah, that is it. Now I will delete this old one because I don't want to run the same workflow twice at the same time. So I will delete my old one and only new one is now available, right? So what we will do here is we will go back here and just add the same lead one more time. Okay. And now if I go to Radar, the today's lead should be now showing 14. So I have refreshed it and that will take around 15 to 20 seconds to actually fetch the data from Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's wait for it and then I will take you to through the Pabbly Connect workflow execution as well in the history. So you can see it is now 14 and the yesterday leads are still 12, right? So you can update all these things on the go. There is a refresh all button as well. So you can use that as well. So yeah, this is how you can add custom stats inside Radar using Pabbly Connect. So basically you can see all your important stats on the go using Pabbly Connect and Radar. Okay, now if we go to the history of this particular workflow, you can see that it got executed here, and you can see the whole thing here. First it captured the data. This thing doesn't matter, you can send whatever you want. It generates today's and yesterday's date, then it is sending data to Public Connect, and it is like passing the formula, then picking up these particular values and so on, right? So yeah, this is how the whole thing is set up. I hope this video helps you. And yeah, you can purchase the Radar directly from their website. I would prefer that you go from their website directly, because that will help the founder more, because AppSumo takes like some money in between, right? And we don't want to pay to AppSumo for this kind of small payments, right? So yeah, please go ahead and purchase their app, and you can also import and export these particular stats and things to your mobile app as well, right? So you don't even need to be on a desktop or laptop to see all these stats. You can simply do that by opening the app on your mobile, right? iOS, Android, both apps are available. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And if you want to get this app, I will leave the link of this custom app in the description of the video as well. Thank you. Bye bye.